Hi guys, this is Tarini and you're watching iTarini. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about hyaluronic acid. Now in this video, I'm gonna be talking about what is hyaluronic acid, what are its benefits, how to use it, how not to use it, and what are its benefits and what are its disadvantages if not used correctly, and when to use these. So basically I'll be covering everything about hyaluronic acid in today's video, and I'm also going to be showing you all a hyaluronic acid serum which I've been using. So yeah, without any further delay, let's start with this video. And by the way guys, please don't skip any part of this video because each and every point in this video is really important if you want to use hyaluronic acid. Because see, hyaluronic acids, and not only hyaluronic acid, be it any ingredient, it's really important to know everything about that ingredient before using it on your face. See, because this hyaluronic acid does wonders to your skin if used correctly, but it can cause disasters if you use it in a wrong way. So that's the reason I'm asking you all to watch this entire video without skipping any part of the video, so that you'll have like a complete knowledge of hyaluronic acid before using it on your skin. So yeah, now let's start with the video. And by the way guys, I'll be looking down because I have my laptop here and I have some notes here just to make sure that I cover all the points with you guys. So please excuse me if I'm always looking down there. Now firstly, what is an hyaluronic acid? Now hyaluronic acid is one of the most talked ingredient in the recent few years, and so basically hyaluronic acid is a sugar which is already present in our body, but as we grow up, the hyaluronic acid content present in our body starts to decrease, and that's when you notice aging, dark spots, wrinkles, dullness, dryness, and a lot of problems on your skin. So basically hyaluronic acid is a humectant which keeps the moisture intact in our skin. Now let me just tell you all in a more simpler terms. Now see, this is your skin, and when you apply hyaluronic acid on it, what it does is it absorbs all the moisture present in the atmosphere and locks it up in your skin. Now let's talk about its benefits. Now it is suitable for all skin types, even oily skin people can use it. Now oily skin people might be thinking that we already have oily skin and why do we need a lot more hydration and all. But guys, there is a difference between oily skin and hydrated skin. So basically all skin type people can use this hyaluronic acid. Now let's talk about its benefits. Now first of all, it obviously keeps your skin hydrated. Now it also has like anti-aging and antioxidant properties in it, and it also helps to increase collagen production, which makes you look much more younger and youthful. Now how can you use this hyaluronic acid? Now it can be used as a moisturizer or a serum. Now these are the most popular ways of using hyaluronic acid. And now when to use hyaluronic acid? Now you can start using this at any age, but preferably you can start using it in your 20s. And I don't suggest people below 20 to use it because I don't think there's need for you to use these things at that age. And even if you're 20 plus, you should first know about your skin. If you're having very dull and dehydrated skin, then you can start using hyaluronic acid. It's not compulsory that you should start using it in your 20s itself. It's up to you. If you feel the need of it, you can start using it. Now the best and the most effective way to use hyaluronic acid is in the form of a serum. Now let me just tell you all what hyaluronic acid I've been using. Now I've been using this hyaluronic acid face serum from Wow Skin Science. Now this is how its packaging looks like. Now this comes in a glass bottle, and this is very important guys, because these acids should always come in a glass bottle and not in a plastic bottle. So this is a glass bottle and its packaging is really sturdy, and you also get this lid, which is like basically like a lock so that you accidentally don't press the product. And this comes in a pump form packaging, and so I just take 2 pumps of it, rub it in between my fingers and apply it on a clean face after using a toner. If you don't use a toner, then you can directly apply it after washing your face. So just apply it all over your face, and I like to use it twice a day, that is in the day as well as in the night. So once I apply this Wow Hyaluronic Acid face serum, I use a nice moisturizer on top of it just to lock in all the moisture. And guys, I've been using this product since more than a month now, and I've seen like visible difference in my skin. Like I can feel that my skin is much more hydrated, and it also made my skin much more softer and plumper. So that's what a hyaluronic acid should do. So if you're a beginner and want to start using hyaluronic acid, I think this one is a great option for you guys, because even I was a beginner and I started using hyaluronic acid with this one itself, and this is very this is not that harsh on your skin. It's perfect if you're a beginner, and it also works. So I think you can try this one if you're interested in trying out hyaluronic acid. And guys, what I like about Wow Skin Science brand is that they make their products with all natural ingredients. They don't have harmful chemicals in their products. They are parabens, sulfates, silicones free. They are also dermatologically tested. They are cruelty free, and they are made in the Himalayas, which means that they are made in India. I think we need to support our Indian brands, and the best thing is that they support women. I think we should support our Indian brands. I personally love Wow Skin Science brand for all these reasons. Now just press it. This is how the serum looks like. This is transparent, and what you should do is just rub it like this and press it onto your skin. Now let me just tell you all with what ingredients you can mix hyaluronic acid, and with what ingredients you can't mix hyaluronic acid. Now guys, hyaluronic acid is one of the safest ingredient out there, and you can basically mix this hyaluronic acid with vitamin C or with retinols, or you can directly use hyaluronic acid by itself as well. And you can also use this hyaluronic acid with other acids also. But guys, before trying out any new product, please do a patch test, because your skin is more important for you, and if something goes wrong, then you can't change it. So make sure that you use right products on your skin. Now guys, it's just the case with hyaluronic acid that it is safe to mix it up with other ingredients, but it's not the case with all other ingredients like vitamin C, retinols. These are not the safest options to mix it up. So yeah, so yes guys, I'll be doing more of these videos, and yeah, I just want to share my knowledge with you guys. Now guys, once you apply this hyaluronic acid serum on your face, you should immediately apply a nice moisturizer, a nice hydrating moisturizer on your face. Because if you don't apply a nice hydrating moisturizer on top of your serum, what it can do is, instead of absorbing all the moisture from the atmosphere and locking it into your skin, it can do the reverse thing, which is just absorbing all the moisture from your skin and leaving out it in the environment. So that's what I'm trying to say. Skincare is not simple, and if you're using such ingredients, you should know about every single thing about these ingredients. If you follow these in a wrong way, then instead of getting good results, you'll end up having really worse results, which you definitely don't want to have. So yes guys, that's it for this video. If you'll want to know more about other ingredients such as vitamin C, retinols, chemical exfoliants like AHAs, PHAs, or anything of that sort, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do a video on it for you guys. And yes, if you think this video was helpful, then please do subscribe to my channel. turn on the notification bell to all, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.